Alright folks, I'm going to introduce you to the troubles that I'm working on. So please keep in mind that keep in mind that originally when this was before all this has been torn out, this was the only vent line to the entire bathroom. This little guy here. And you can see that by there's no vent over there, and there's no vent that for the tub that used to be there. So obviously I'm no professional. I'm not Mr. Tim the Toolman Taylor, and I'm not sponsored by anybody in any way, shape, or form, even though I'm using all of these wonderful tools. Anyways, so first off, I recently watched a video, and the guy said that this short 90 is too short. I need to have the long sweep 90. Somebody out there, correct me, whatever, if I'm wrong. I don't know anything. I'm a dum-dum. Whatever. The center of this to the back of that, if that were a finished wall, is 12 inches. Off of the wall, off of that finished, imaginary finished, is actually 19. I saw that it says it's only supposed to be 15. So, I mean, I do have room to move it that way if I wanted to. Should I put one of those right there and then cut a path all the way up and vent it out? Would that 3-inch line vent be enough to vent everything? The tub, there's going to be a shower stall, this little wash station, whatever you call it, and the toilet. So I don't know. I wish I was rich so I could pay someone else to do it, but then I'd be dumb because I'd just be wasting my money. So I want to learn, but I want to do it the right way. So yeah, I don't know. If there's anybody that finds this video then wants to comment down below and has some advice they'd like to share, by all means, please do so. Yeah, it's sad that a company actually passed this on their inspections, or never even had it inspected to begin with, and sold it that way. And here we are, so many years later. So anyways, I was hoping to put a shower stall here, and that would be like a little, not little, it'd be a massive niche. When I end up putting like some kind of shelf stuff in there, some kind of chingadera. So yeah, anyways, I've rambled on long enough. Basically, should I put a huge vent here somewhere? Basically, I'd have to cut right in there, straight down, and then connect another one of those going up, and then reinforce all that I've cut. Or, I don't know. Should I put a clean out right there? If so, I don't know. I mean, I don't feel that I need one, being that at the end of that line, just 20 feet that way, is a clean out with a cap, and the cap itself has holes drilled into it, just those, drill bit holes. So I know that it does have air transfer. Yeah, it's not perfect. Eventually, over at that end, there will be a sink placed there as well with the P-trap. But then that means it'll gurgle every time that water goes that way, I'm assuming. Clearly we don't want that to happen either. So, or it'll suck out all of the water from the P-trap, allowing gas to go that way. So, I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I've been putting up, obviously I didn't put that one up, but I've been putting up a bunch of these plates. So I know that's something that I need to finish right over in that corner over there. I was thinking about trying to use some PEX in this area. I'll run some copper line down here, and then from there connect in with PEX. Run the PEX here, do some kind of crazy chingadera here. And here I am still rambling on. So if you're still here listening to me ramble on, please feel free to leave a comment. All this weird Mickey Mouse